This is an introductory lesson to static subtraction. So that means that there is no exchanging. You may also have heard the term regrouping or borrowing. And this is an introduction. So we will be just using concrete materials. I'm using base 10 blocks, but you can also use Montessori golden beads. And I will also be using these wooden number cards, but again, you can also use printed number cards, which I have available. So to start with, this is a small group lesson, and the materials are laid out. They can be laid out around the room so that children have opportunities to get up and have purposeful movement. And to start with, there's no recording. So this is a purely concrete activity to help children understand the concept of what's happening when you subtract multi-digit numbers. So let's start with the minuend. That's the first quantity, and let's make 89. So one child will make 8 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 units or 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then another child can build that same amount, but with the number cards. So 8 tens, 9 units. Okay, and then they can be put together to show the number. All right, and this is a great reinforcement of just understanding our number system. So if a child struggles with either of these, you can see they'll need more practice, hands-on practice with the base 10 number system. Okay, so we are going to subtract from that the subtrahend. And subtracting, you'll have to explain, means taking away. So we are going to take away 23. So you'll show the child the first few times, or children, how to take away 2 tens and 3 ones. Okay, and we're going to again make that number with the number cards, but then we're going to take this away. Okay, and I like to call this the bank. I keep the quantity in containers, and I tell the children to put it back in the bank. Okay, all right, so we have a minuend of 89, a subtrahend of 23, and the difference is what we have left. So let's move this down, and we'll see, starting with the units, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens left. So 89 minus 23 equals 66. Okay, and that's how to introduce subtraction of multi-digit numbers without any exchanging or regrouping.